Today's video I will be changing my outer tie rod. As you can see, it's like the boot is already teared up and you can hear it from in the car now and stuff. I'm pretty sure it's this because before I take the wheel off, I rock it back and forth, like front and back, and it's like you got that play in there, and this the only thing could give it the play. And I know this one is up here too, but it's a different way. I know how to check this one. This one they give you the up and down, back and up and down, and check that. I got the tool already that I'm gonna be using. It's a 19. Open this one, and I'm gonna use the pipe wrench for this. For this, most of the time when I put the tool on them, it might slip. It might be a 21. This is a 20 and it might be a 21 or 22, but I rather use the pipe wrench because the pipe wrench, once you grip it on there, it's gonna open it. The tricks about the tie rod, and when you open them, if you don't want to go do if you don't want to have to go do alignment, like at the same time when you open the bolt, as soon as you open it, you kind of tight. So like now it's open, it's hard to spin because I didn't spray it up, but it's open. Keep it as close as possible to the arm, so that way when you have to tighten it, you just have to give it that one up motion and tighten it, and it would be like the same exact almost lining, you know what I mean? So you don't have to go to the alignment ASAP, but you still need to go to the alignment just want to save your time. Alright, take this off. Once I take that off, I don't got a hammer right now, a big enough hammer to hammer this off, so I might the pipe wrench got a little bit of weight to it, so think about this one, I don't got a good hammer. Alright, as I say, see? Basically tied on there still, so I'm gonna keep it right there. I'm not gonna mess with this board at all. I'm just gonna take this off, and once you get that away from there and you put the new one on there, now you do the same thing. Get it right up there, stop it, and then tighten the bolt. Alright, okay, almost out of there. Seems like I'm gonna need the inner tie rod. I'm gonna check it real quick once I get this off. I mean, it feels tight. I don't feel that little knock in there, but it's loose though. You can tell it's loose. Yeah. This is the new one. I got it from AutoZone. It's the only one they got, and I need to change it right now. As soon as I get it on there, like wait to the point where it's turning together like that, then I just turn it to where I want it. Push this back a little bit so you can feel it from there. Alright, that's in there now. Screw on this bolt up top right here. Reliable. Now I'm gonna turn the 4 bolt on it. I should got the same alignment almost, and my steering shouldn't change much. appreciate those styrofoam. That's how you change the tire then. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you. See you in the next how-to video.